Okay, I'm going to do a little demo of my app that I've been talking about, just so that you get an idea of what it looks like on the phone. It's almost hard to believe that this app is downloadable and something that you can create for just $20. So I wanted to give you a look at what you can do for a very reasonable cost to try and find a way to keep your clients or your prospects or your friends able to follow your blog even if they're not really active online. So obviously you go to your app section of your phone and you're going to end up having a little icon that you've chosen yourself when you created your app with the name of the app on it. When you open it up, there is a heading section that you can personalize with a photo, and then you have different topics that you can name or different sections. So I've actually put in my WordPress blog called Perspectives. That's right here. And if I slide to the right, then I'm going to go to another stream that I've created called Insurance Solutions. So that's for all of the different items that I would have on my insurance blog. I've made two other sections as well. I've included a lot of text on mine. You can actually put in your Flickr stream, which would appear similar to this kind of look. You can ask it to just show, previews of photos, so you would get like 3 photos in a row. So people could just click through on that. In this case, since mine are all blog posts, what I've got here is I chose one layout, which is including the featured picture for the post as part of the display. If somebody wants to take a look at it, they can just click through, and it's going to take them to a version on the app of the article. And they can read that all on the app. Another option that I did in my Insurance Solutions blog was that I decided not to put the pictures on it. And I also isolated how much I want them to see on the app itself. If they're interested in the story, they get a little preview. They can click, and then it takes them right to my actual blog so that they can see the whole article with pictures and the layouts that I've decided. And it's also beneficial because they could also, comment on it if they wanted to. If your blog post has video, the app will also link through to the video. I think I might have one here. We'll just test that out together and see how that works. So the post is there. It gives you the option to open the video, and it loads it right through YouTube, which is great. So you get almost the full functionality of your website through this app. Aside from my slightly slow internet connection, which is not an app issue, but rather an issue with my cellular phone provider, it works pretty smoothly. I'm just going to backtrack out of the video. But you see, when you open up the post, you get the option to just click the play button and view the video, or you can just read if you don't want to view the video at that time. It updates according to your own settings. You can choose for it to update every couple of minutes, every couple of hours, up to once a day. What happens if I put a new post on, anyone who has my app is going to just get a little notice at the top along with all the other notices that are going to show them exactly, where they have to go. They just have to pull it down like anything else. Click on it, and it's going to take them right back into the app. So that's my mobile app, and I strongly recommend it if you have clients or friends or followers who may not be on social media as much but might find your articles interesting.